Hi there, Mr. Tasty Thai here on my YouTube channel, and I just wanted to share with you my everyday carry. Now, I don't center around a specific brand of bag because I want to have that type of mobility that I just set it up according to which things I need to bring whenever which bag I wanted to bring. So these are the essential ones. My wallet. Now, unlike most traditional wallets, mine has a sling specifically, and centers around. Let's see here. Here I got some pen, my IDs, cards. Oh, that's my ID card at work, my badge. House keys over there. Car alarm, and scooter and bike keys, and of course my inexpensive phone and headset. Now, moving over, I also happen to include on my everyday carry is a Nitecore MT2C, as you can see. Now, it's kind of overkill when you want to find something, so it's extremely bright. But my phone also has some sort of a portable flashlight right here. Oh, come on. Okay, let me just fiddle around with it. There you go. Now, it isn't as bright, but it does the job. So that's part one. Now, also, I have this stuff sack filled with other EDC items like 3.5mm jack, since I'm a music listener. Different chargers, and my tab over here, which I keep in a paper bag to avoid moisture. It actually came in free with my landline subscription. So this is my PLDT telpad. There you go. Car adapter, which I find handy when I'm driving. Different sets of charger adapters, and a USB card reader. I don't carry I don't carry flashcards, but I have a micro SD, which is based here on my card reader. Permanent marker. Yeah, I showed you that, and of course I don't leave behind my extra plastic bags to keep wetness away, since I ride in a motorcycle at times. So that's part one of my daily carry. Another thing I usually bring, which is kind of handy, is an extension cord. So that's my extension cord. Now, also, I have this toiletry bag. Let me open it for you here and show you the stuff I got. So instead of a towel, I got myself a chamois here. So absorbent and compact. I have it there. Also a set of underwear, toilet paper, a multi-tool that I got for a bargain. That's the job. Soap. Well, underarm deodorant. More plastic bags. My toothbrush. More plastic bags. And spare set of keychain. I also have my cologne. And also a container containing more stuff. So more plastic bags. There, another set of plastic bags. Razor, toothpaste, more cologne, aftershave. I used to have cotton buds, but since I've used them all up, I put in nail clippers and a miniature P38, which is very handy if you're trying to eat something canned. There. Shampoo, mirror, hand sanitizer. So that's basically it. Now what I do here is that it doesn't revolve around specific bag, because I change bags from time to time. I just, of course, never leave home without this 3. And also, I listen to music, so I carry an adapter, AC adapter, and a portable speaker here. So when I go out and I find it boring, I just bring it out and enjoy music. So there we go. Thank you for watching.